What's up guys? Welcome back to another YouTube video. And today we're going to try out this game called Fireworks Mania. It's on Steam and you can get it for like $12. It's where you set off fireworks and you can get many mods in the workshop. But I want to warn y'all, there's an epilepsy warning, so if you, so if that happens then you might not want to watch this video. But anyways, let's go! So what this mod is, not really a mod, but you can download a lot of mods. Like these, they're mods. Alright. Let's see. Oh, I'll try big city. Like you see this? Fireworks! So today what we're gonna do is we're gonna test out like some of the mods, and then in the next video we're gonna test out like what the actual game has probably first. Like look at that. That's crazy. Like, oh, look at that. It's crazy, but it takes some time to load this because it's a big map. So, meanwhile, let me play some music. La 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 la. I don't think it's working. Womp womp. There we go. It's loaded. It's loaded. Yippee. So you can get many maps with this. And they do set on fire, which is really realistic. The minnows! Sharks and minnows. This is taking longer. But just like I said, it's a big map. So there's many mods that I downloaded. There we go. Woo! So here's one of the mods that I got. Wait, let me just change the time. Meow. There we go, that should be good. Oh, this is a big map. Wow. Alright, so here's some of the stuff that I can do. So the night tool. So we're gonna save this for the next video, like the actual game has. We're gonna check out some of the mods. Right here, it's basically a nuke that can launch up into the sky. Ew. Please don't go wrong. Oh, that's pretty. Oh, this one's really fun to use. Oh, where'd it go? Yo! Not in the building! The neighbor's gonna yell at us. Yo! Oh! That's a big one. Okay, alright, let's see what else we got. Nuke V2. We're just gonna place that bad boy down. Oh! It's a rocket launched into space. Where's it gonna happen? Whoa! Yo! Now we're gonna try a missile. Just throw that bad boy down. No! Oh! That was pretty small for an explosion. Oh, here's a big thing that we're gonna test out. No! Oh, it's gonna go in its orbit. Whoa! We should test it. We should see this. Look at this! It's just going into the sky. I'm in the rocket ship. Let's see. Oh! Yo! There the rocket ship goes. Now we're gonna try a missile. Like, it's a big one. Let's see what happens. Bye-bye. Now that means also gonna go to space. Where's the Yo! I thought explosion. Oh yeah, this one is actually sick. Y'all need to see this one. Let's see this. Oh! Yo! Oh! Yes! What is this thing? Alright, let's ignite this one. Let's make a fireworks show. I don't think it's working. Oh, there it is. Spooky, scary skeleton. Wait, he can go off the walls? This is not this one. I don't think that did that much. Yo. You know, let's right on the top of this building. Okay. So we gotta... I don't know why this is in a fireworks game. How? Not really that big of an explosion. Let's just put this on top. Oh. Wait, what? Wait. Okay. Next page. Oh, it's a cat. What? Yeah. What? Maxwell! Yo! No! What are you doing? Yeah! No! No! Dude, that's messed up. Why? Okay. I just highlighted it. That didn't happen. Let's see what this is. Whoa! That's so sick. What is this? Okay. What? Yo! Well, that didn't do anything. You know what? Oh, it's nerf or nothing. Let's check this out. Let's check this out. Well, that's pretty cool. Jimmy! Jim. Huh. I don't know what this does, but let's just check it out. Oh my gosh! Oh, that's gonna be something really big. It's gonna be really big. I can tell. This is a big boy. Whoa! Yo, that's so sick! Yeah, my game! That's so sick. Alright, let's test out Jimmy. Jimmy seems much cooler. Wait, where did it? Okay. Jimmy! Gosh, dang! That was a bigger explosion than last. Let's see this one. Okay, it's the same as the last one. But yeah, I think that one's a little bit like not better, but what is this thing? What? Yo! You can't do that to me. Oh, they're getting huge. Oh, goodness gracious! Let's see what this one does. It's gonna be much better than all the others. Whoa. Yo! What are those? Wait, why are they getting closer to me? Yo! My game! It's lagging! They're getting bigger as they go. That's so cool! It looks like a meteor shower. But not cooler than others, I'm pretty sure. But that's pretty cool. Okay, I don't know. It says this one. I'm guessing since it said no headphones for 15 seconds. Oh my gosh! Now they use headphones. Oh, let's see what this is. Aww. So cute. Okay, let's see what this is. Oh, it's so small. This is just... Oh. So tiny. Baby firework. That didn't really do anything. Let me just check out, what is this? Oh, I get it. You can put ones in each of those, but that was really small. We're looking for something bigger. Let's try this one, for example. So I need to find one that's 10. There we go. There we go. Let's see this one. Whoa! That's sick! Is anything gonna happen? What? Yo! That's so cool! Yo! That's sick! Alright, let's see this one, what this one does. 24. Let's see what this does. Boop! Wait, how far did that go up into the sky? Yo, that's so sick. You know what? Actually, I got an idea. So what if I just put in multiple? Okay, I don't think I can do that. It's retaliation. So, you okay? You can only put. Wait, what happens when I just. Wait a minute. What is happening? Yo! What? Oh, I just got flashbanged. Okay, so I got an idea. I'm not sure this will work, but. No! No, this is not, no. No. Oh. Let's see how far it goes. Maxwell! Maxwell! He's going to the sky! Wait, is he it? No! Wait. So what if I just put this in? Does that fit as well? Okay, I don't think it does. But that, no! No, that's messed up! What is this? Kitty poop? I think it's the same as... Don't tell me. Oh, come on! Dude! No, get over here. You're going in. You're going in. Get in. Yeah. What was I just? You're going in the chamber of death. You're going in. You're going in, you darn cat. Bye-bye. This is what you get. Let's see what this is. Oh, that's pretty. Let's see what else it has to it. So these are fountains. These are mortars. That's pretty cool. That's pretty cool. That's not that bad. Maxwell, stay up there, buddy. Don't get too scared. That's pretty nice. Just a lot of smoke coming from it. Okay. That should be good now. That's good. Oh my gosh. Yo! Maxwell! Maxwell, get out there! Maxwell! Yo! No! Bro, this fruit is a more complicated option than a normal Taylor Swift concert! Maxwell! Are you okay? Did he die? He's perfectly fine. Why did he slide like that? Okay. Let's see what this is. Wait. I got an idea. Oh gosh, this is gonna be bad. Yeah! Oh, I want to read my PC. Bye guys. Oh.